guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. So when you click on settings here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification settings. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go above email updates, click on it here. So when you click on my updates, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here. So when you keep going down here, it's going to show for you here groups and invitations. So then you go down here, you come here to someone sends me an invitation. Sorry, you come here to time accesses is revoked here. So click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.